What are exotic currencies? In the previous video, we have covered the first two groups of currency pairs. Now, it's time to look at the final one, exotics. Exotic currency pairs is a term for a thinly traded currency, which include one major currency alongside a currency from a developing or emerging market. Exotic currencies are illiquid, can be extremely volatile, trade at low volumes, and expensive. Exotic currency pairs are affected by different drivers, which include interest rates, geopolitical instability, and the strength of their country's economy, among others. Some exotic pairs that you can trade: US dollar to Turkish lira, euro to Turkish lira, euro to Mexican peso, US dollar to South African rand, US dollar to Czech koruna, euro to Czech koruna. Stay tuned for more CGFX educational videos.